Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will be telling you about the private IP addresses, which is another important concept in computer network. Okay, so firstly I would like to tell you that why we actually introduced such kind of concepts and what was the need to develop the private IP addresses ranges. Okay, so suppose that you are having a private network like this. Suppose that you are the owner of this private network, you just bought it and you are using the TCP IP protocol here, and there will be a lot of hosts in your network, which is your private network. Okay, and since this is your private network, then you can actually assign the IP addresses randomly to all the hosts. Okay, since this is your choice, as this is your network. Okay, so you can assign the IP address, assign IP randomly, and you always want this network to be limited in your organization only and never want it to be interact with the external world. Okay, right? But now suppose that this host is having the IP address something like 4.5.6.7 and it is having the IP address 4.5.6.8. okay, and now suppose that this particular host send a packet to this particular host, and if somehow this network comes into the internet, if somehow it is able to interact with the external world, then all the router will forward this particular packet, the packet which is going from this particular host to this, and this packet will actually goes to the host which is having the actual IP address 4.5.6.8, which is assigned by IANA to some host in the real world. Okay, so this is the case when somehow your particular network comes into the internet, then all the routers will forward this packet to the actual valid IP address holder. You really wanted to share it with your private network only, but this could be the case. But now suppose now this particular host will think that it has got the packet from an actual particular host which is having the IP address 4.5.6.7. so it will send back a message to a host which is having a valid IP address of 4.5.6.7, which is assigned to it by IANA. Okay, so now it will say that I have not send you any packet, so it will again reply it and it will say that I have not send you any packet, and in this way a conflict will be there in these two. Okay, but this was actually the issue that was facing when you are actually owning a particular private network. So what IANA does, it just made a series of numbers which will actually be used to create the private IP address ranges. Okay, so that such kind of problem will never occur. So what IANA does, there are some ranges, and if you want to assign the IP address in your private network, then you can actually assign it from those ranges only. Okay, and in this way no any conflict will occur like it was occurring in this particular case. Okay, so now let me tell you that what are those ranges that IANA has assigned to make the private ranges. Okay, so let's see that. Yeah, so these were the ranges that IANA has assigned, and IANA said that if you want to assign the IP address in your private network, then you can take those IP from these ranges only. Okay, so let's come to these ranges. The first is from 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255. okay, so actually this particular range is taken from the class A, because we know that the class A is having the range from 1 to 126, and as you can see the first octet, it is starting from the 10, and this shows that it has been taken from the class A. Okay, and the next we are having 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255. so this range is taken from the class B network, because if we talk about the class B, then its range is from 128 to 191, and as you can see the first octet, it is 172, so this shows that it has been taken from the class B. And next we are having 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255. okay, So this particular range is taken from the class C, because the range of the class C is from 192 to 223, and as you can see the first octet, it is 192 itself, which shows that it is taken from the class C. Okay, so these were the concepts, and in this way we have designed these particular private IP address ranges. Okay, so I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, then please share it and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any problem related to these topics, then you can comment me down below. Okay, thank you.